Woo! Happy Unity Day! Wow, special edition. Happy Unity Day from our family to yours. Happy Unity Day.
Today we're at the farm, yeah. The maize is looking green, the sorghum is just been planted, yeah. It's a very happy day.
Wow, nice.
Very happy day. Happy holidays. The maize is looking very, very green.
Oh, yes. We are going to show you the maize.
Yes.
I'm so happy today.
Yay!
Happy Unity Day to everyone and a Merry Christmas as we see the maize will start blooming very soon.
Yay!
Happy Unity Day, Zimbabwe. The maize and the sorghum is so nice. It's so green. Happy Unity Day.
Nice!
Happy Unity Day. The maize sorghum is so green. I'm so happy.
Nice!
Today the maize is looking nice.
Yes!
Happy Unity Day, Zimbabwe. The maize is looking nice. We're going to the farms. Happy Unity Day.
Yay! Happy Unity Day from our family to you! Happy Unity Day. So in Zimbabwe, we are celebrating Unity Day. So my family and I are at the field and we are seeing the crops, and then we are going to have a Christmas party and then a Thanksgiving lunch with everyone at the farm. So now to see the maize that everyone was praising. So there is the maize field. Woo, 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 woo. So this is our maize for this year. So this is SC727. Yeah. So well, we are spraying today. We were spraying sorghum, but this is the maize, as you can see. It's due for top dressing. We are going to put in a bit of urea. So yeah, we're quite excited about that. So this is what's happening here. We're going to put urea in something for 4 armyworm. We're going to put something for 4 armyworm. So yeah, exciting times. Those who have joined us, happy holidays! Happy holidays from our family to yours. So today in Zimbabwe we celebrate Unity Day. It's a special holiday, but our family and we decided to come to the fields and just see what's happening with the crops. Ahead of the start of the season, we are having a spraying operation in the sorghum, and everyone is here, excited, happy to be here and seeing the beautiful crops. Guys, we have people who have just joined us.
Oh, hi. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas too, yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoy
So what are you
guys.
seeing about the maize?
The maize is looking green.
Uh-huh.
It's very nice weather, cool, sunny too.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
cool and sunny. That's my son Mazowe.
Yes,
Mommy.
happy holidays, Zimbabwe. The maize is very green, very nice, very sunny. Yeah, a bit cool, but it's okay. We're expecting rain soon, but yes, it's okay. It's all right. Happy holidays.
Indeed, ladies.
How are you? I'm so happy today. Our farm.
Yay, well done, madam.
Hello everyone. Hello Zimbabwe. As we celebrate Unity Day, the maize looks very green, and as people say that it's sunny and it's also cool. So it's a very good weather. Happy Christmas and happy New Year.
Wonderful. That's Miss Mickey. Then we have here Malcolm.
Hello, guys. Yeah, it's sunny for now. It's good for the maize, and the maize is looking so green.
So green and nice, hey?
Nice.
We are super excited. The maize is looking so green. The family is happy. So as you can see there, let's see. So that's the maize there in the background. We've just paused to give you some insights about the maize. So this is actually 727 blockbuster late maturity maize hybrid established in Zimbabwe, in Mazowe. That's where we are. Thank you, Gregory Hems, for asking. We are in Zimbabwe, in Mazowe. We have Kipruto Boots, who says Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, guys. We are so excited. So, guys, I think we'll talk to them on our way to the sorghum field. But just to share that, this is the block of maize that we have. You were seeing it there in the background. So it's very, very important for you to do things timelessly. This crop, let me just turn and show you, is now due for urea application. So we're going to come in with urea and put urea in this maize block. As you can see, a beautiful, beautiful crop of maize established in Mazowe. Look at that. Look at that. It's a beautiful crop. So now we are going to the sorghum field. So stay tuned. We'll be talking to you, giving you some insights, some tips as we make our way. Merry Christmas. Oh, Jerry. Jerry says Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Wow, intro sow is really working, Jerry. We are very happy. The crop is looking good. Intro sow, which is also a product that is applied as a liquid fertilizer booster. We applied it. We applied seed start, then we came with intro sow, and then we're going to come in again. So yeah, we are very happy with the product from Phase 8, the only registered distributors of Introlab products. So let's show you the green maize. Would you even think this crop does not have top dressing fertilizer? It doesn't. So yeah, we had an incident where some cattle went in there on that small little patch. So yeah, but it happens in the fields. So we are very happy. So that's the maize crop nonetheless. So that far end there where you are seeing the brown, that's where the sorghum is. Up there at the back there, that's where the sorghum field is. So early in the morning we were spraying the sorghum with a pre-emergent herbicide. So that's where we are going now to see the spraying operation. So yeah, stay with us. Let's go. We can go now. So we hope that you are enjoying the festivities. Now we are driving to the other fields. So stay with us. Stay with us. We are enjoying at the back of the truck with the team. Guys, yay! Good vibes. It's very, very important for you to work with your family. So that at least, you know, everyone has an appreciation of where things come from. You know, other people want just to buy nice things. A few other people, but they need to know where the nice things come from. You need to work hard. So yeah, definitely. Oh, Pele Investments has joined us, guys.
Oh, it's
Yay! Merry Christmas, Sue. Merry Christmas. Ah, nice one. Ah, Chief Agronomist Tiopote. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, Chief, for joining us. We are very happy to have you. And yeah, thank you for also imparting your knowledge, your expertise, your experience with our farmers across Zimbabwe and the world. Thank you so much for being so passionate about that. And yesterday was Dio's birthday, guys.
Oh,
yeah.
Happy belated birthday.
Yeah.
Chief Agronomist.
Happy. Oops. 4x4 doing its thing. We were getting a bit stuck there. So yeah, we are getting into the getting into the main road. Buckle up, guys. Everybody sit tightly. So bye. Stay with us. We are just moving to another block so that you can see. And the maize is just there. Oops, let me show you the maize. The maize block. Oops, I hope I won't lose my hair. I hope my hair sticks. Ah, James. Yeah, he's joining us from Malawi. That's the maize, guys. Okay. So now we are driving to the sorghum block. Oops, me holding on to my hair. Woo! Exciting stuff. So we want to show you the sorghum block. I hope it's not too windy and you can still hear us. Yeah. Woo! Unity Day in Zimbabwe. It's a festive holiday across the world. We celebrate in style. So we just want to go to the sorghum fields. It's on the far end there. So yeah, stay tuned. Please stay with us. And yes, I'm holding on to my hair. Yeah. please share your experiences as well on the chat. What's happening? How are your crops looking like? How are your Sitco crops doing? So in the morning, interesting thing, in the morning when I woke up, guess what? I met 2 farmers from Nyabira who were buying their seed and going to the field. So they were buying 555 and 419 to go to the field. People are busy out here. There's another tractor crossing. Murisei! Nice one. People are busy.
Amazing.
So I was telling you about the random encounter at Pick and Pay supermarket at Westgate. So yeah, just as we were buying eats for the farm, you know, for the afternoon Thanksgiving lunch that we are going to have after the field activities, I ran into 2 very happy farmers who were buying 555 early maturity and 419 very early maturity for their blocks in. They were saying they were going to Nyabira, so now we're now just driving in. So this is a field drive. Let me show you as we make our way. So we are driving through. This is us. This is us. Bear with us. We might have a bit of network challenges from here and from time to time. Murimi Munu by popular demand, please. Driver.
Murimi Munu driver.
Dog. So this is what all us other small scale farmers have done. Let me just show you the field. So this is what some of the small scale farmers have done. This is the size of some of the maize. Rushawa! Guys, we're going to sing along to that one. Bye! See? There you see the nice maize. Oh, Peter Chakodzonga says kuno mvura ikunaya kwete zvekutamba. Kuno kuite has given us a break. So we managed to spray our glyphosate because the glyphosate needed to get into the system of the active weeds that were on the ground. So that really helped a lot. Yeah. In this field here there is sorghum. Okay, let me show you the field. So in this field here there is sorghum. Yeah. Small little lines of sorghum there. Abanda! Murisei! There we go. There we go. Okay, Jerry and Dio are having a conversation there. Yep. Oops, this is our truck trying to just go up the hill. Navigating. We have Ricardo Benz. This is a maize crop that we have here in the background. Yeah, I think we've got a bit of network back. Sorry. So this is actually 555, a blockbuster early maturity variety from Sitco. So yeah, let's go. Let's drive and go. We have Jack Face. Hi, the smart guru, Dr. Mazura. Happy to see you towards the end of day. Lovely. Thank you so much. So thank you for joining us. So that's the green millies. There we have another block that they already harvested. So this is the crop that they have. So this is us just driving. And now we are seeing there, we are driving towards another young crop of maize there. This is Mrs. Kanouruka's farm, Zanado farm. She's also an agronomist, a seasoned agronomist. So yeah, this is what we are seeing. In this block here, they applied Roundup after they had planted. They put in a bit of Roundup there, a good non-selective. So yeah.